Okay, this is what they call a Leonard set. It's an old way of controlling a DC motor by using a AC motor to run a generator, and then the Leonard set controls the field to the DC generator, generate the DC voltage for the DC motor. In this setup we have the AC drive, an AC motor, and then the DC generator. This is the Leonard set. First thing you have to do is get the AC motor and the generator up to speed. In this case, 60 hertz. Okay, it's spun up to 60 hertz, so we're ready. This is the armature voltage, this is the field voltage. Power on. Enable. And there we have it at minimum speed. 27 volts coming out of the generator. Now we want to change direction. It flips over. And you see the polarity change, settling down to about 27 volts for the minimum speed. You can see it goes up. This is the maximum speed. 425 volts roughly coming out of the armature. And click back. And it cycles through. Here's the max speed in the opposite direction. About 430 as it settles down. We keep a load on everything so nothing gets over voltaged. And that's pretty much how a Leonard set works.